Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to prune up this hydrangea. I have 4 hydrangea trees that I want to prune, and I just want to clarify something here. These are a great shrub in the garden. I live in Saskatchewan. It's very windy here, and these guys have stood up to the wind no problem. Now they're only in here 1 year, so they aren't big and floppy yet, but they are tough little trees. So don't underestimate them in your garden because they can be a real statement plant and they will give you one heck of a show. So this one here, we're going to cut off some of the damage, and because it's so small, I mean this one's only about 4 feet high, we're going to give it a quick little prune back and take off any shoots in the center of the plant there and anything crisscrossing here, and just going to prune up the ends to invigorate it a little bit. Like this one here has no stems on it, like there's no buds on that anywhere you can see. So that kind of dead wood we want to take off. So I'm just going to zoom in a bit. This is split. This actually has split wood right here, so we're going to have to get in here, and this is crisscrossing, so we're going to take this out. And we basically treat these the same as we would any other hydrangea shrub, except we do a little bit more careful pruning because, I mean, it's only 1 year plant and it's going to grow on the old wood right here, and it's going to get new shoots. So you see here as well, we're going to clean that up and just make it so it looks good. Anything that is going the wrong direction, we're going to take that out. And such a simple plant to prune. So I'm going to take that out too. I don't like the direction it was facing. Same with any of these. Like this is pretty lanky. So we're going to just take that back right to the bud. And that's what you're doing. You're pruning right to the bud. So you're going to look for a bud that's nice and swollen, and you're going to go that route and take it right down. And Bailey is barking at me because I am out here without him, and that's just the way it goes. Same with this one. You can see the bud is right here. I'll just zoom in so you can see where the buds are. And you can see a little wee red bud there, and I'll show you after so I can get this done. It is really cold out here. You can feel it with your finger too and find a bud there as well. Okay, that one's done. So easy. I'm gonna leave the tree wrap on it for another week just because I noticed there's been rabbits in the yard, but they didn't really touch these, which is good. But I'll leave it 1 more week because it's cold for a couple days and then it's gonna warm up. I don't like this branch here. And just go through it and look for buds. I like to take probably a good 1.5 inches off, give or take. And that branch doesn't look good, so we're going to take that one out. This one over here is damaged. There, that was hardwood. I'm just going to go around the other side. I see some wood here I would like to remove. And then looking for anything crossing. So this one here is crossing. I'm going to take that one. And this one here is crossing. Much better. And we have some more crossing in there on the other side. Let's look at it and see if it's worth removing or not. Because this is 2 big branches crossing together. So I think I'm going to try to get this small piece out without doing too much damage, I hope. There we go. And then I'm just going to take the branching out of that one. Not bad. And take those center stems out as well, so the energy goes to the new growth on these stems, because this is just dead wood in the center here. Old wood, you could say. All right, that looks much better. Let's go look at the limelights now. Okay, this is one of the limelights. This is more about 5'3", so about 5'3", this tree. And you can see there's a lot of branches that are crossing it right in there. So we're gonna get rid of those right off the bat. Anything really gnarly, get it out of here. So that's why I like to work from the inside out. Like, look at this branch. That's not pretty. So we'll just get rid of it. See how it opens it up? Same with that one. It's crisscrossing this one. We're gonna look on this one for buds. And I'm just gonna take it down to right there. And then this has got damage on it, so we're gonna take that off. You always get some winter damage on your plants. This one is about 5 feet tall. It's not as bad as that one for gnarliness, but it definitely needs some love in here. So that's a good job on a very cold day. It's windy and it is not nice, very gray. Looks like we could get some rain. It was raining in town and everything, but so far nothing. We could use a good rain to clear some of the dust and everything up, but at least I got one job done. There's a lot of work to be done in the garden. I did clean up in the fall, but you know, I didn't remove everything. So we're going to be cutting yarrow down. We're going to have a pile of hydrangeas that need a little bit of pruning. The rabbits did do some work on the standard limelight, sorry, not the standard, but with the regular limelights and some of those. And the Annabelles and the Incredibles, they've done some work on those, but I think it's okay. They'll recover. And then there's trees and other perennials that need to be cleaned up. So you're going to see a lot of cleanup videos. Rob came through yesterday and he mowed the lawn, picked up a lot of the debris and that. We still got rabbit poop to pick up all over the place and plants that have flopped and roses to do. So anyhow, lots of jobs to do. It is that time of year and we're going to do them gradually. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. And if you have hydrangea trees, don't remove them. They are worth saving. They're very expensive and quite honestly, they are beautiful. Trust me. Bye everybody.